The Technica instrument panel for the 1983 Challenger and Sapporo offers both a digital speedometer and tachometer. Based on engine speed, light-emitting diodes illuminate in sequence to indicate engine RPM. To test the tachometer, connect a calibrated shop tachometer to the engine. Then, start the engine and compare several readings on both tachometers. If the vehicle tachometer is malfunctioning, replace it. Here's a unique feature: an electronic climate control display that indicates air direction and changes colors with outlet air temperature settings: green for cool and orange for warm air. In addition, an audible warning system is now available on Challenger Sapporo, consisting of 6 separate functions, including:
please close door. Please release parking brake. Please fasten seatbelt. Please fasten seatbelt. Please remove ignition key. Please turn off headlights. Please put shift lever in park.
That last message applies to automatic transmissions only.